Hello there and welcome back to my channel. This is That Geeky Gal. My name is Gracie and welcome back to day 4 of 12 days of Harry Potter Christmas. Today's video I'll be showing you how to make this Hedwig ornament. It's easy and it's simple and you can get your children involved if you'd like. Now Hedwig is a very important part of the Harry Potter series. She is Harry's companion and loyal pet, and so it's only fair and fitting that we have a Hedwig themed ornament for our tree. So as always, links will be down in the description box below. Let's get started. Okay, you're first going to need a pine cone, some cotton balls, some white felt, a little bit of yellow felt, a little bit of black felt, scissors, a little bit of twine, your glue gun and glue stick. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to get some cotton balls and you're going to go ahead and unravel them. They're pretty easy to do, and some of them you're going to want to go ahead and break apart into little bits. Now with the cotton balls, you're going to go ahead and stuff your pine cone. You want to be a little bit gentle with this because I found out that if you're not gentle, the pine cone is very brittle and can easily rip apart or break apart some of its little pieces. So go ahead and just stuff your pine cone until it's all nice and fluffy. Just like this. So I'm going ahead and showing you the process, and as you can see there are little bits of areas and you want to make sure you get every single nook and cranny of the pine cone. And here it is, all fluffed up. Okay, now you're going to grab your white piece of felt. With your pine cone, you're going to use that to give you like a rough estimate of how big you're going to make your wings for Hedwig. Now the wings are kind of a teardrop shape, a little bit circular on all edges, and you're going to go ahead and cut 2 of these out. 1, 2, and the pine cone. Now we want to go ahead and glue on our wings to our pine cone. First you want to make sure that you find a spot on your pine cone that maybe if it doesn't look as even or as nice, those are the areas you want to cover with your wings. So add your glue to the edges of your wings, and you're going to go ahead and add those to the pine cone. Now the wings are going to go, you want to adjust them to where like a tiny bit of the tip of the wing is coming from the bottom of the pine cone. Okay, so I had originally done this once, and as always, I'm always adjusting and readjusting. So I'm going to grab a little bit of white felt, I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to cut like a circle, and when you open it, you get 2 symmetrical sides. This is going to be the face of Hedwig. I'm going to grab a bit more of some white felt, and I'm going to go ahead and make 2 more wings. Now these wings are going to be a little bit smaller. That way it gives the wings a little bit more dimension and it's not just flat. So that's kind of the idea I'm going for right here. Alright, next thing you want to do is you're going to grab some black felt and your yellow felt. You're going to make 2 circles. This is going to be like the eyeliner of Hedwig's eyes. So these circles can't be super big like you can see here. They have to be like perfect. So just readjust them and make them as many times as you need to. Now I'm going to have a total of 6 different circles. 2 big black ones, 2 medium yellow ones, and 2 tiny black ones. And then you're going to make a teardrop for Hedwig's beak. Now what you're going to do is you're going to want to go ahead and just glue those all together. Now all you're going to do is you're going to glue each of these on. Once you glue the black to the yellow and then the yellow to the black, you can grab your scissors and go ahead and trim off the excess black. We don't want too much black edging on there, just a tiny bit. And these are going to go at the very top of the circles that we cut out, the white circle that we cut out of felt. And just glue those on. Now I'm going to grab my teardrop shaped black piece of felt that's going to be her beak and glue that right into the center. And it's starting to look like Hedwig, so here it all is. Now I'm going to go ahead and glue down those other pieces of the wing. Here they are. Now snowy owls do have black on the tip of their wings, So I'm gonna go ahead and add just some lines and some markings, a little bit of some triangles, some circles. Make it your own. Remember, each owl is unique, and you do that to both sides of the wings. Now, before we're finished, we want to go ahead and make sure Hedwig is really stuffed. I'm gonna go ahead and stuff her as much as she can be. The head, I'm using a little bit of glue to adding more to the top so it's nice and fluffy. And let me show you how I went ahead and added the twine. I went ahead and glued it to some cotton ball, and then the cotton ball I glued it onto the pine cone. And here is our little adorable cute Hedwig ornament. I hope you enjoyed this one. This is a really cool craft to do with kids because it's super easy. Just make sure you help them with the hot glue. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like, subscribe. It really does help out my small little channel out here. And I hope you have a magical day, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next one. Thanks you guys. Bye.